Hello and welcome to our channel Business by World, where we discuss all things business and entrepreneurship. Today's topic is something that's on the mind of many aspiring entrepreneurs: how to become a successful businessman and millionaire. While there is no one-size-fits-all formula for success, there are certain traits and practices that successful businessmen have in common. In this video, we'll discuss some tips and strategies that can help you become a good businessman and increase your chances of achieving financial success. Tip number 1. Define your vision and goals. The first step in becoming a successful businessman is to define your vision and set clear goals for yourself. What is it that you want to achieve in your business? Is it financial freedom, recognition, or something else? Once you have a clear vision, you can break it down into specific goals that you can work towards. This will help you stay focused and motivated, and give you a sense of direction. Tip number 2. Continuously educate yourself. The world of business is constantly evolving, and successful businessmen understand the importance of staying up to date with the latest trends and developments. They are always learning and seeking new knowledge that can help them improve their business practices. You can take courses, read books, attend seminars, or even learn from other successful businessmen. The key is to never stop learning and always be open to new ideas and perspectives. Tip number 3. Build a strong team. No successful businessman has achieved greatness on their own. They understand the importance of building a strong team of individuals who share their vision and values. Surround yourself with people who complement your skills and strengths, and who can help you achieve your goals. This includes not only employees but also partners, advisors, and mentors. Tip number 4. Focus on customer satisfaction. Successful businessmen know that their customers are their most valuable asset. They focus on delivering high-quality products or services that meet the needs and expectations of their customers. They also prioritize customer satisfaction and go above and beyond to ensure that their customers are happy with their experience. By focusing on customer satisfaction, you can build a loyal customer base that will help you grow your business and achieve financial success. Tip number 5. Embrace failure and learn from it. No one becomes a successful businessman overnight, and setbacks and failures are a part of the journey. Successful businessmen understand this and embrace failure as an opportunity to learn and grow. They don't let setbacks define them, but instead use them as a stepping stone to success. By learning from your failures and making adjustments, you can improve your business practices and increase your chances of success. Tip number 6. Be persistent and resilient. Becoming a successful businessman requires persistence and resilience. You will face obstacles and challenges along the way, but it's important to stay focused and keep pushing forward. Successful businessmen don't give up easily, but instead, use setbacks as a motivation to work harder and smarter. Remember that success is a journey, not a destination, and it requires hard work, dedication, and perseverance. Conclusion. In conclusion, becoming a successful businessman and millionaire requires a combination of hard work, dedication, and the right mindset. By defining your vision and goals, continuously educating yourself, building a strong team, focusing on customer satisfaction, embracing failure, and being persistent and resilient, you can increase your chances of success. Remember that success is not an overnight process, but a journey that requires patience and perseverance. We hope that you found these tips helpful, and we wish you all the best in your journey towards becoming a successful businessman and millionaire. Do subscribe and like our channel.